Dear students, in this session you are going to some special integrals. Here we have to make substitution to evaluate integrals. Here expression, the corresponding substitution, x squared plus a squared. If we have the term like this, x equal to a tan theta or x equal to a cot theta. A squared minus x squared, x equal to a sin theta or x equal to a cos theta. X squared minus a squared, x equal to a secant theta or x equal to a cosecant theta. Root of a minus x by a plus x or root of a plus x by a minus x. In this case, you take x equal to a cos 2 theta. Root of x minus alpha by beta minus x. Or root of x minus alpha into beta minus x. X equal to alpha cos theta plus beta sin square theta. Integral 1 by 9 x square minus 4 into dx. So 1 by 9 into x square minus 4 by 9 into dx. 1 by 9 dx by x square minus 2 by 3 whole squared. One by 9, 1 by 2a log x minus 2 by 3 by log x minus 2 by 3 by x plus 2 by 3. Even sometimes you can write within the modulus sign. integral dx by x square minus a square equal to 1 by 2a log modulus of x minus a by x plus a plus c. This will be cancelled. 1 by 12 log 3x minus 2 by 3, 3x plus 2 by 3 plus c. 1 by 12 log 3x minus 2, 3x plus 2 plus c. The same results can be obtained using another method. See, this can be written as dx by 3x whole square minus 2 squared. 1 by 2a, 2 into 2 log x minus a by x plus a plus c into, we have coefficient of 3 beside x, therefore you have to apply 1 by 3. Then 2 into 4, 4 into 12, you get the same result. So here we applied integral dx by bx whole square plus a squared, bx whole square minus a squared. So 1 by 2a log modulus of x minus a by, it's okay, the same I have written. In addition to that, into 1 by b, that is I have written coefficient of b here. So shortly we can do this. So note that formula. Integral dx by root of x into a minus x. Ax minus x squared. If we have a squared, we can take x equal to sin theta or cos theta. Here we have some term a, so that you take x equal to a sin square theta. So dx equal to 2a sin theta into cos theta d theta. I equal to dx, that is 2a sin theta cos theta d theta divided by, if you take x equal to a sin square theta, here a squared sin square theta minus a squared sin per 4 theta, 2a into So 2a one minus sin square cos squared. A will be cancelled. Sin theta will be cancelled. Two into cos theta by d theta. 2 into theta plus c. X by a equal to sin theta equal to root x by root a. Theta equal to in place of theta sinus of root x by a plus c. Integrals of the form dx by ax square plus bx plus c are reducible to the form dx by ax square plus bx plus c. So the integral should be this form or it can be reduced to this form. For this the following integrals are very useful: dx by x square plus a squared 1 by a tan of x by a plus c, dx by x square minus a squared 1 by 2a log modulus x minus a by x plus a plus c, del dx by a square minus x squared 1 by 2a log modulus of a plus x by a minus x plus c. These three formulae are very important regarding this type of sums. integral dx by two x squared plus x minus 1 dx. So you take 2x squared plus x minus 1. Apply perfect square. You write sum or difference of two squares. You take 2 into x squared plus, so this is equal to twice x squared plus x by 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 into, in place of x square write x, here we have plus sign, take plus sign, divide the coefficient of x by 2. If you divide by 2, you will get 1 by 4. Apply, complete the whole square. Then apply minus sign and square this value and write here. If you expand x squared plus 2 into x into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16, the expansion will give this result. So x squared plus x by 2 is there here, but in the expansion consists one time 1 by 16, so that should be eliminated, so that we subtract 1 by 16. So twice if you simplify, you will get 8 times 9 minus 9 by 16. So I equal to integral 1 by twice x plus 1 by whole squared minus 3 whole squared into dx. You take 1 by 2 x squared minus a squared. Integral dx by x squared minus a squared, 1 by 2a modulus of log x minus a by x plus a plus c. 1 by 2a, 2 into, in place of a we have 3 by 4, log modulus of x plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 divided by x plus 1 by 4 plus 3 plus c. 2 into 4, 4 cancelled, 1 by 3 x minus 2 by 4 by x plus 4 by 4 plus c. So 1 by 3 log 2 here, 2x and minus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus c. 1 by 3 log 2x minus 1 by twice x plus 1 plus c. x by x power 4 x square plus 1 dx. The previous we have numerator ds only. Here we have x by x square whole square plus dx. You take x square as t, 2x dxx dt. So I equal to dt by 2 dt by divided by t squared plus t plus 1 1 by 2 dt by t square plus t plus 1 1 by 2 dt by, in place of t square at t, here we have plus sign, write plus here. Divide this coefficient by 2, here we have 1, divide by 2, that is 1 by 2 whole square, and square this value and subtract. So the expansion will consist 1 by 4 here, but there we don't have x 1 by 4 in this place, so we have to exclude 1 by 4. So I equal to 1 by 2 dt by t plus 1 by 2 whole square plus minus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 3 by 4. So 1 by 2 dt by t plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 the whole square. We have dx by x square plus a square equal to 1 by a tan of x by a plus c 1 by 2 1 by a, that is 1 by root 3 by 2 tan of x by a, that is t plus 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 plus c. This will be cancelled. One by root 3 tan of 2t plus 1 by 2 divided by, this will be cancelled. 1 by root 3 tan of 2t plus 1 by root 3 plus c. One by root 3 tan of 2x square plus 1 by root 3 plus c. Next, integrals of the form 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx or reduced to the form 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. In this session, in this type of integrals, you are going to use this formula, integral 1 by root of x square plus a square dx. One by root of a square minus x dx, sinus of x by a plus c. Log x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Integral 1 by root of (1/root of 9 plus 8x minus x square into dx). You take this term 9 plus 8x minus x square minus into x square minus 8x minus 9. You take minus and common. This will be positive, this will be negative. So in place of x square, write x, divide this number by 2. So minus 4, the whole square and subtract. This is 5 squared, minus into plus, minus into plus, minus. So I equal to dx by root of 5 squared minus x minus 4 the whole square. Del dx by root of a square minus x square. Sinus of x by a plus c. Sinus of x minus 4 by 5 plus c. del a power x by a power 2x dx. So a power 2x can be written as a power x the whole squared. You take t equal to a power x, dt equal to a power x into log a dx, dt by log a equal to a power x into dx. So I equal to, in place of a power x dx, you can write dt by log a root of 1 minus 2 squared. 1 by log a dt by 1 minus 2 squared. 1 by log a sinus of t plus c. So 1 by log a sinus of, in place of t we have a power x, sinus of a power x plus c. Integrals of the form px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So px plus q equal to a into d by dx of plus b. So we have to apply this concept. Whenever we have linear in the numerator, denominator, quadratic in the denominator, the numerator should be written as constant into derivation of denominator plus b. X by x square plus x plus 1 dx. Let x equal to a into d by dx of x square plus x plus 1 plus b. X equal to a into, if you differentiate, 2x plus 1 plus b. Comparing x, 1 equal to, here coefficient of x is 1, here 2 into a 2a, which implies a equal to 1 by 2. Put x equal to 0, 0 equal to a plus b, b equal to minus a, that is minus 1 by 2. So x equal to 1 by 2 into In place of u, you take 1 by 2. In place of b, you write minus 1 by 2. So, I equal to integral 1 by 2 into 2x plus 1 by x squared into dx. 1 by 2 into 2x plus 1 divided by x squared plus x plus 1 into dx minus 1 by 2 1 by x squared plus x plus 1 into dx. I equal to, if you differentiate it, you can find the new differentiation here. So 1 by 2 log of x square plus x plus 1 so whenever you take log, you write within the modulus sign, the positive only logarithm exists, minus 1 by 2 into you take, you name it as I1. The differentiation of denominator exists in the numerator, therefore integral of this portion is log of x square plus x plus 1. Now you take I1. So x squared plus x plus 1 equal to x plus 1 by 2 the whole squared minus 1 by 4 plus 1. We have seen already, in place of x square write x, here plus sign, divide this coefficient by 2, that is 1 by 2, apply the whole square, square this value and subtract, then x plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus 3 by 4, x plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus root 3 by 2 the whole square. So I1 equal to 1 by x plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus into dx, and dx by x square plus a square equal to 1 by a tan of x by a. 1 by a, that is 1 by root 3 by 2 tan inverse of x plus 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 plus c, that is 2 by root 3 tan of 2x plus 1 by 2 root 3 by 2 plus c, this will be cancelled. So 2 by root 3 tan of 2x plus 1 by so for this 2 by root 3 tan of 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus c, but we need I, so this is value of I1, so I equal to 1 by 2 log x square plus x plus 1 minus 1 by 2 I1, that is equal to 1 by 2 log modulus of x square plus x plus 1 minus 1 by 2 into this value 2 by root 3 2 by root 3 tan of 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus c. So this will be cancelled. Log x square plus x plus 1 minus 1 by root 3 tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus c. Next, evaluate 1 by 2 into e power 2x 3 into e power x plus 1 into dx. So in this type of sums, one by you take highest term e power 2x plus 2 into 3 e power x by e power 2x plus 1 by e power into dx. E power minus 2x divided by e power minus 2x 3 into e power minus x plus 2 into dx. So you take e power minus x st minus e power minus x dx equal to dt. E power minus x dx equal to minus dt. So I equal to e power minus x into e power minus x dx divided by e power minus x the whole square plus 3 into e power minus x plus 2. Therefore I equal to, for this e power minus x, that is t, e power minus x dx equal to minus dt. For this t squared plus 3t plus 2 minus t divided by t squared plus 3t plus 2 into dt. So we have reduced to the form numerator we have linear, denominator we have quadratic. So without this sign, just to write numerator t equal to a into d by dt of t square plus 3t plus 2 plus b. T equal to a into 2t plus 3 plus b. Comparing t. A equal to 1 by 2. T equal 0. Three A plus B. So minus 3 by 2. So t equal to A, that is 1 by 2 into 2t plus 3, B, that is minus 3 by 2. So I equal to minus into, in place of t, 1 by 2, 2t plus 3, minus 3 by 2, t squared plus 3t plus 2 into dt. Minus 1 by 2 into 2t plus 3 by t square plus 3t plus 2 into dt, minus minus plus 3 by 2 into 1 by t squared plus 3t plus 2 into dt, minus 1 by 2 log of t squared plus 3t plus 2 plus 3 by 2 into I1. You take I1 integral 1 by t squared plus 3t plus 2 into dt, 1 by t plus 2 3 by 2 whole square plus 9 by 4 plus 2 into dt, 1 by t plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4 dt, t plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 2 the whole square. X square minus a square 1 by 2a, 2 into 1 by 2 log t plus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 by t plus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus c. Since dx by x square minus 1 by 2a log modulus of x minus a by x plus a plus c, this will be cancelled, log t plus 1 by t plus 2 plus c, that is I equal to minus 1 by 2 log modulus of t square plus 3t plus 2 plus 3 by 2, in place of I1 write log t plus 1 by t plus 2 plus c. So, minus 1 by 2 log t squared, that is e power minus 2x plus 3 into e power minus x plus 2 plus 3 by 2 log e power minus x plus 1 divided by e power minus x plus 2 plus c. Integrals of the form px plus q divided by root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. In this type, px plus q should be taken as a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus another constant b. So, we have to apply this step to bring the answer. Integral two x plus 3 divided by root of x squared plus 4x plus 1 into dx. Two x plus 3 equal to a into d by dx of x square plus 4x plus 1 plus b. So, 2x plus 3 equal to a into 2x plus 4 plus b. If we differentiate, we will get 2x plus 4. Comparing x, 2 equal to a equal to 1. X equal to 0 implies 3 equal to 4a plus b. B equal to 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. Therefore, 2x plus 3 equal to, for a 1, 2x plus 4 minus 1. So, I equal to integral 2x plus 4 minus 1 divided by root of x square plus 4x plus 1 into dx. 2x plus 4 divided by root of x square plus 4x plus 1 dx minus 1 by root of x square plus 4x plus 1 into dx. So twice root of x square plus 4x plus 1 minus I1, since root f of x into f dash of x dx equal to twice root of, so the differentiation of denominator exists in the numerator. So we write twice root of x square plus 4x plus 1 minus I1. You take I1 1 by root of x square plus 4x plus 1 into dx. X square plus 4x plus 1 equal to x plus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 1. That is x plus 2 the whole square minus 3. Equal to x plus 2 the whole square minus root 3 whole square. Therefore, I1 equal to integral 1 by root of x plus whole square minus root 3 whole square log modulus of x plus root of plus c. The reason is dx 1 by root of so equal to log plus for this step x square plus 4x plus 1 plus c. So in place of I1, the next step you can write I equal to this step minus, in place of I1 write log modulus of x plus 2 plus root of x square plus 4x plus 1 plus c. So this is derived from this one. That's why in place of this we write x square plus 4x plus 1 plus c. So we will discuss more type next session. Thank you.